Yawning constantly, it could be a warning sign of serious heart or brain issues. Before I explain, like this post and follow Alpha Fitness Forte for more life-saving health facts. Yawning isn't just about being tired. It's your body's way of cooling the brain. But excessive yawning can signal vagus nerve irritation. That nerve links directly to your heart and brain. Doctors say unusual yawning may appear before a heart attack or stroke. Other red flags: dizziness, chest pain, sudden headache, or blurred vision. Don't ignore it. If you yawn excessively with these symptoms, seek help immediately. Your body whispers before it screams. Share this. It might save someone's life. Tag someone who needs to know this.